Just got this steering stabilizer kit from Rough Country. With these Chevys, there's a lot of steering wheel play, and before jumping into just doing a gearbox, I'd rather install this so I know it's a little bit stiffer and kind of go from there. This might be very hard to see, but what we're gonna do, you see the front diff is there. We're gonna use these pre-existing holes to mount this bracket. So I'll go ahead and zap that up. Sort of really hard to film this, but I've got this bracket up and this one up, and now I'm just trying to attach this. So what I'll do is get everything attached and then come back and show you where everything goes. So here's what we got. I know it's super hard to see, but I'm literally laying in the rocks. But here it is installed. And we're gonna see how performance is here in a moment. Just got everything installed, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I have full capability of turning. Ooh, definitely feels stiff. Before, you could literally, I mean, it's gonna be hard to see on camera, but you could do this and like literally do it with your finger or pinky that far. So it's not super stiff, but it's just enough to actually feel pretty good. I know that wasn't a lot of explaining in the video to see really how you do it, but I was very limited with working in that. So I hope you got something out of it, or if you had questions about the kit, you could at least see where it mounts up on this truck. I hope it gave you some insight, and I'll keep you guys updated with the next one too.